Pakistan, a land of diverse landscapes and rich history, holds within its borders a city of captivating charm and spiritual significance, Pakpattan. This city, often overlooked by mainstream tourism, is a treasure trove of cultural and historical wealth, waiting to be explored by those who seek the road less traveled. Nestled in the fertile plains of Punjab, Pakpattan is a city that often escapes the well-trodden tourist trails, making it a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its serene environment and welcoming locals make it an ideal destination for those looking to experience the authentic essence of Punjab. Its name, meaning pure abode, hints at the deep-rooted spirituality that permeates the city's atmosphere. This spiritual essence is palpable as you walk through its streets, where every corner seems to whisper tales of devotion and peace. Pakpattan is more than just a dot on the map. It's a tapestry woven with threads of history, faith, and natural beauty. The city's rich past is reflected in its architecture, its festivals, and the daily lives of its people. The city's heart beats to the rhythm of ancient traditions, echoing the footsteps of saints and scholars who graced its land. These traditions are not just relics of the past, but are very much alive, influencing the present and future of Pakpattan. From the awe-inspiring shrine of Baba Farid to the life-giving waters of the Sutlej River, Pakpattan offers a sensory experience that lingers in the soul. The shrine, a beacon of spiritual light, attracts pilgrims from all over, while the river sustains the land and its people. To visit Pakpattan is to embark on a journey through time where the past intertwines with the present, and the sacred blends seamlessly with the everyday. It's a place where history is not just remembered but lived, and where every moment feels like a step back in time. It's a place to lose yourself in the tranquility of ancient rituals, to witness the vibrant tapestry of local life, and to connect with the raw beauty of nature's bounty. Pakpattan is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left its sacred grounds. At the heart of Pakpattan's spiritual aura lies the magnificent shrine of Baba Farid, a testament to the enduring legacy of the revered Sufi saint, Hazrat Baba Fariduddin Ganshaka. Born in the 12th century, Baba Farid was a poet, a mystic, and a beacon of love and tolerance whose teachings transcended the boundaries of religion and time. Known for his simple yet profound poetry, Baba Farid's verses, known as dohas, continue to resonate with millions, offering solace and guidance. His shrine, a place of pilgrimage for people of all faiths, stands as a symbol of unity and spiritual awakening. Devotees from far and wide flock to the shrine, seeking blessings, solace, and a moment of connection with the divine. The air within the shrine vibrates with a palpable energy, a sense of peace that washes over visitors. The rhythmic chanting of prayers, the scent of incense, and the sight of devotees lost in prayer create an atmosphere that transcends the ordinary. Pakpattan's destiny is intertwined with the life-giving waters of the Sutlej River, one of the mighty tributaries of the Indus. Flowing gracefully along the city's outskirts, the Sutlej is more than just a river. It's the lifeline of the region. Its waters, a source of sustenance and prosperity, have nourished the land and its people for centuries. The river's presence is deeply woven into the fabric of daily life in Pakpattan. Its banks teem with activity, from fishermen casting their nets to children splashing in the shallows. The fertile plains surrounding the Sutlej are a testament to its life-giving force, producing an abundance of crops that sustain the region. As the sun begins its descent, casting a golden glow upon the water, the Sutlej transforms into a scene of breathtaking beauty. The river, reflecting the sky's fiery hues, becomes a canvas for nature's artistry. Pakpattan, nestled in the heart of Punjab's fertile plains, is a testament to the abundance of nature's bounty. The city is surrounded by a patchwork of emerald green fields where farmers toil under the open sky, their livelihoods intertwined with the rhythms of the seasons. Wheat, cotton, and sugarcane sway gently in the breeze, their sweet fragrance filling the air. The land, nourished by the life-giving waters of the Sutlej River, yields a rich harvest, sustaining not only Pakpattan but also contributing to Pakistan's agricultural wealth. The sight of farmers working in unison, their voices mingling with the sounds of nature, is a reminder of the timeless connection between humans and the earth. Beyond the cultivated fields, pockets of untamed nature still thrive. Trees, their branches reaching towards the heavens, provide respite from the sun's glare. Birdsong fills the air, a symphony of chirps and trills that celebrate the beauty of life. Section 5. A climate of extremes shaping life in Pakpattan. Pakpattan experiences a climate of extremes, with scorching summers that test the limits of human endurance, and winters that bring a chill to the air, making it necessary for people to bundle up in warm clothing. The summer months, from May to September, see temperatures soar well above 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The intense heat can be overwhelming. The sun beats down relentlessly, turning the landscape into a shimmering mirage, distorting reality. Life in Pakpattan adapts to the rhythm of the climate. People use hand fans, drink plenty of water, and seek shade wherever possible. During the scorching summer days, the streets are quieter as people seek refuge from the sun's glare, staying indoors with curtains drawn. As the sun begins its descent, the city awakens from its slumber and the streets start to fill with life once more. Life spills out onto the streets, with market stalls opening and people shopping and socializing. The cooler evenings are a time for socializing, for families to gather in parks and community spaces, and for children to play under the watchful gaze of the stars. The community comes alive in the cooler hours. Winters from November to February bring a welcome respite from the heat. Temperatures drop significantly and a blanket of fog often descends upon the city, creating an ethereal atmosphere. People enjoy hot drinks and gather around fires to stay warm. Section 6, where faith and culture converge, a tapestry of traditions. Pakpattan's cultural landscape is as rich and fertile as its soil, deeply rooted in its spiritual heritage and shaped by centuries of tradition. The city is a melting pot of cultures where the echoes of ancient Sufi teachings blend harmoniously with the vibrancy of Punjabi traditions. The teachings of Baba Farid, emphasizing love, tolerance, and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment, continue to permeate the city's social fabric. His message of unity, transcending religious boundaries, resonates deeply in Pakpattan, fostering a spirit of communal harmony. The city comes alive during religious festivals such as the Urs of Baba Farid, an annual celebration commemorating the saint's death anniversary. The Urs, a vibrant tapestry of faith and festivity, draws pilgrims and performers from across the country. Section 7. Unveiling the treasures, exploring Pakpattan's landmarks. Beyond the magnificent shrine of Baba Farid, Pakpattan holds hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. The city's streets, a labyrinth of narrow lanes and bustling bazaars, offer glimpses into the rhythm of local life. The air is filled with the scent of spices, the rhythmic clang of metal from workshops, and the friendly banter of vendors. One such treasure is the ancient Qila Rahmatgah, a crumbling fortress that stands as a silent sentinel whispering tales of a bygone era. Its weathered walls, once witnessing the ebb and flow of history, now offer panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. For those seeking solace amidst nature's embrace, Pakpattan offers serene green spaces. The Bagh-e Jinnah, a sprawling park on the outskirts of the city, provides a welcome escape from the urban hustle and bustle. Its verdant lawns, shaded pathways, and colorful flower beds offer a tranquil setting. Section 8. The warmth of the people, hospitality in the air. Pakpattan's true treasure lies not only in its landmarks but also in the warmth and hospitality of its people. Known for their generosity and welcoming nature, the locals embody the spirit of Punjabi hospitality, making visitors feel like honored guests. A simple stroll through the city's streets is an opportunity to connect with the locals, to share a smile or to engage in friendly banter, whether sipping chai at a roadside stall, browsing through the vibrant stalls of the bazaar, or simply observing life unfold. Visitors are met with genuine warmth and respect. The spirit of generosity extends beyond mere pleasantries. It's not uncommon for locals to open their homes to visitors, inviting them to share a meal and experience the true essence of Pakpattan's hospitality. These spontaneous acts of kindness leave a lasting impression, making visitors feel like they've found a home away from home. Section 9. Pakpattan, a journey to remember. Pakpattan, a city often overlooked, is a hidden gem that rewards those who venture off the beaten path. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, it offers a unique blend of history, culture, and spirituality that captivates every traveler. It's a place where the sacred and the secular intertwine, where history whispers from ancient walls, and where the warmth of the people nourishes the soul as much as the fertile land nourishes the body. The stories of the past are etched into every stone, and the smiles of the locals are as welcoming as the lush fields that surround the city. A journey to Pakpattan is more than just a travel experience. It's a pilgrimage for the soul, a chance to connect with the essence of Pakistan's rich cultural and spiritual heritage. The city's spiritual aura is palpable, drawing pilgrims and travelers alike to its sacred sites and cultural landmarks. It's a place to lose yourself in the tranquility of ancient rituals. to witness the vibrant tapestry of local life, and to experience the true meaning of hospitality. The streets are alive with the sounds and scents of daily life, offering a sensory feast that leaves a lasting impression. As you bid farewell to this enchanting city, you carry with you a sense of peace, a heart filled with memories, and a yearning to return to its embrace. The serene landscapes and the heartfelt connections made here linger in your thoughts, calling you back to its serene beauty. Pakpattan, with its hidden treasures and genuine warmth, is a journey that stays with you long after you've left its borders. The memories of its hidden corners and the warmth of its people become a part of your own story, a chapter you will cherish forever.